Welcome back. Now it's time to start a discussion about key events, and we can bind a key event to a function, to a widget. So when we press a key, a certain key, we can trigger a function. And I'm gonna type here window equals tk window dot main loop. And I'll go up here and I'll type window dot bind, and I'm going to parentheses key, and let's trigger this do something function. Let's create a label equals to label window font Helvetica 100, and we can put here whatever key you want. You can put a W. So if I run this, but let's define the function. So def do something print you pressed colon plus event dot, let's put here event dot key sim.
Relax and enjoy the show. Great key events, buddy. It's your bro here. Hope you're doing well. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how we can create key events in Python. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Key events in Python. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Now if I run this, I can type anything here. So let's run it again. You press W, so you press W. If I put here S, stop it. Let's stop this. Run it again. If I press S, you press S. So it's listening for those characters. Now to listen for all characters, we put here key. So now if I stop this and run this, and if I press anything, as you can see, you pressed all those keys, because this will listen for all the keys and it's going to execute this function whenever key is pressed. Alright, let's comment this. And I'll go down here and I'll type label dot config text equals to event dot key sim, and that is gonna display whatever key we press. So stop this, run it, let's type something, and I have this being displayed here in our label. So whatever we type here. Right, this is our discussion about keyboard events. I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.